Yeah, okay. So we're going to go through how to operate the SQ Mini DV camera. It comes with instructions in English, but honestly it may as well be in Chinese, because they make no sense whatsoever. So it comes with a charge cable. You connect this TPC, where you can view your files as well. You plug this into your TV to view them on your TV. This is the camera itself, as you can see. We have an on-off button, we have the mode button, we have the mode light there, we have the speaker, or the microphone should I say, we have the lens, and we have the 4 infrared lamps. Here we have the port for the charger, USB cable. Here's where the memory card goes. Nice and easy. You can see which way that goes in there. Nice and easy. There you go. Now I'll show you how to operate it. So first we're going to film in 720p. So we press the on button, which is located here. So I'll press and hold that till it comes on, and then we'll press the to record in 720p. We'll press the on button again. It'll flash 3 times, and now that's recording. To stop it, you press the on off button again, and now that's back in standby mode. Now to change to 1080p filming, we will press the mode button just once, and you can see that's now red and blue, that light. Yep. And now to start recording, we'll press the on button, and now that's recording. Now to stop, we'll press the on off button again. Now that's in standby mode once again. Now to take a photo, we press the mode button whilst it's in standby, and now we are left with a steady red light. That means it's in photo mode. And to take a photo, you press the on off button again, and you can do that as many times as you'd like to take pictures. To come out of photo mode, we will press the mode button once again, and this will take us back to 720p standby mode. Now for motion detection in 720p, whilst in standby mode, press the mode button for 3 seconds. And you see that flash there. We're now in motion detection mode, so this should only start filming when something's moving in front of it. I believe my finger's in front of that anyway. To stop filming, press the on off button again, and that's back in standby mode. Now to do motion detection, to film in 1080p motion detection, we will press the mode button. Yep. And then we'll press down the mode button for 3 seconds. And now we're recording in 1080p using motion detection. we'll press the on off button again to stop. Now we're back in standby mode. Now for night vision, what we'll do is, while in standby mode, we'll press and hold the on off button for 2 seconds. The camera will flash, as you just saw, the red light flashes, and now it's ready to record in night vision. And I will press the on off button, and now that's recording in night vision. And if we turn it round, hopefully you can see the infrared lights have lit up, they're all purple. Yep. Now to stop recording night vision mode, we will press the on off button again. And we're done. We're back in standby. Now to charge this, you plug your charger in here. This will flash red, this light. When it is a steady red and it stays solid, that means it's fully charged. Yeah. Now when you connect this to the PC, you'll connect it here just as you would when you're charging it, and you'll plug the other end into your PC. And next I'll show you what happens when you do that. Okay, so once you've connected your charger cable to your camera and your PC, a box should pop up similar to this one, and you'll click open folder to view files if that's what you want to do. I've no photos, I was just opening the file, and the videos are in here. I took a video just to show you a sample. This is being filmed in 1080p. Now sometimes that box doesn't open up, and if it doesn't, do this. Okay, so come down here, click start, you'll go to computer, and it won't be a C disc, it won't be a DVD drive, it'll be this one. It could be E, F, it depends what you've got plugged into your computer, but in this case it's disc E, and you can see it's brought us directly to the same place it would have done if the dialog box would have opened up. So yeah, there you go. I know it's different on Windows 10 and Windows 8. This is Windows 7 I'm running here. I prefer it to all the others. But essentially, you want to find the same place. You just Google it, you'll find out how to do it, no problem. I just want to show you, if we right click a video, choose properties, you can see that the files are AVI files. So yeah, it's a good little camera, this. By the way, after a short while of not being used, it'll turn itself off, so it won't use its battery. But yeah, it's a good little camera, and in my next video I'm going to create a little spy camera using a shampoo bottle, just for a bit of fun, see how it comes out. But yeah, it's a good little camera. Thanks for watching. Bye. So yeah, that's it. It cost me just short of $10 with free postage to United Kingdom. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Links in description. Bye.